actually kind of surprised it took me this long to make a video in Shinjuku because this is a place I've actually spent a lot of time in doing street photography over the past couple of months. And I know it's a famous area that many of you are probably already familiar with and see photos of all the time, but it really is a great place to take photos. Personally, I just love the variety of locations and photo opportunities. Whether you're looking for geometric shapes, busy crosswalks, or neon lights, it really just has it all, and all within close walking distance. And I think because of the variety of opportunities available, it's one of those places that I just keep coming back to. I almost walked past this subway exit there, but I noticed the grate and thought it could make for some interesting framing, so I hopped over and stuck around for a little while to snap a few shots. This is actually a spot I've walked past so many times, but honestly, this was the first time I actually took a moment to scan the architecture. And I'm glad I did, because it turns out to be a treasure trove of composition opportunities. And it really shows why you should keep going back to the same spots. You never know what you're going to find each time. Kabukicho is one of the main areas, I guess you could say. The big red neon arch is pretty iconic, as well as the giant Godzilla head peeking over from behind one of the buildings. But back to the POV. And this is about where I called it a night. I will probably be back here sooner rather than later, but maybe next time I'll shoot during the day to change things up and offer a different perspective. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the photo walk and some of the photos I was able to share with you guys. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.